How to change country in App Store iOS 17. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to change country in App Store, launch the Settings application on your device first and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Now tap on your name banner and then tap on Media and Purchases. You will see the option for View Account. Tap on that and then tap on the Country or Region option. Tap on Change Country or Region now. You will be able to see a list of countries now. Go ahead and select the country you currently reside in. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Agree option on the top right. You will be asked to select your payment method along with the billing name and billing address. So go ahead and enter these details. Make sure to be very careful and enter the details correctly, as this step is very crucial. Once you are done entering the details, tap on the Next button and then tap on Done, and this is how you can change country in App Store. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.